Meet the toaster-shaped robotaxi from Amazon, well-designed for unmanned passenger transportation in busy urban areas. The Amazon-owned autonomous car maker Zoox announced that their toaster-shaped vehicle, without a steering wheel or pedals, received a green light to drive passengers on public highways in California. According to the company, this is the first time in history that a purpose-built robotaxi without any manual controls drove autonomously with passengers. This robotaxi can drive in two directions at a speed of up to 120 km per hour and is well equipped with high-quality cameras providing up to 270-degree views, hence eliminating blind spots, and a 133 kWh battery that can go for up to 16 hours before recharging. It also has a high-tech lighting system alongside multiple sensors that can detect objects up to 150 meters away. This includes detecting other cars, pedestrians, cyclists, and even the passengers' behavior. Zoox's current testing authorization was previously modified with the approval of the California Department of Motor Vehicles, allowing the company to test its robotaxi in a restricted region in Foster City, where its headquarters is located.